Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to transfer crypto from your Bybit account to your Mexc account. It's a simple thing to do. So for this, first go to bybit.com and then log into your account. After login from the home page, you will see a bunch of options from the top bar. From here, select assets. After selecting it, you will see an option deposit and withdraw. We have to select withdraw. Now from here, select your crypto which you want to send to your Mexc account. For example, I am selecting BTC. Now enter the wallet address from your Mexc. You will get it in Mexc. Just copy it from there and paste it here. After pasted, now select chain type. Remember, you have to select the chain type as Mexc. Now enter the amount how much you want to send. Then review all your information and then confirm. And your crypto on its way. And that's it. That's how you can send crypto from your Bybit to Mexc.